This is the part that hits me hard. This is all shades of wrong. This is totally wrong. Like, it's not like he's a criminal. It's not like he was having weapons. He was holding a weapon or anything. In fact, when I first saw this video, I felt so uneasy with myself. I felt so bad. Okay, I'm not saying this because he's a man of God. I'm saying this because he is human. I'm not even a member of his church. I've never visited his church. But seeing this humiliation, seeing this is so painful. Like, it's so painful to watch. His church, his hard-earned money, his sweat, everything he has suffered to build was demolished, and he got beaten on top of it. This is not a very good time for Odumeje, the Indaboski, the Bahuse, and his ministry.
When you are good to me, but when you show me you are bad, I will tell you I am badder than your baddest. I am wicked than your wickedness. I am more than what you think I am. You don't fear Satan. You don't fear idols. You don't fear occult men. You don't fear anyone. You fear only Jesus. The maker of heaven and earth. After you went to that native, you say go and get the visa. When you go there, they fail you.
Yes.
Did they give you visa?
No, I eat my money. No, they eat my money.
They eat your money.
Yes.
Go again. You people abandon Christ, misbehaving. Come here, let me just give you visa. A beautiful woman with a lucrative, with fantastic and fantabulous, with a mamacious and fantamagolious.